Hello viewers, if your budget is 30,000 rupees and you are confused between iPad 10th generation and MI Pad 7, then this video is going to help you. Currently Republic Day sale is running on Flipkart as well as on Amazon.in, and many people have already bought iPad 10th generation at 26 to 27,000 rupees for the 64GB variant. On the other hand, newly launched MI Pad 7 is available at Amazon.in at a price point of 27,000 rupees after discount. So many people are confused which one is best for them. MI Pad 7 is an Android tablet, whereas iPad 10th generation runs on iPad OS. So in terms of operating system, there is a major difference between these two tablets. If you want to go with iPad 10th generation, in that case you will get a very good display and portable iPad. Also you will get A14 Bionic chipset inside it, and there will be regular software updates. Currently iPad 10th generation is running on iPadOS 18.2.1, and in this iPadOS 18.2.1 I am getting a great battery life and there is no bugs. On the other hand, if you buy MI Pad 7, in that case you will get Snapdragon processor and also the latest AI features of MI, 3.2K display, and the display resolution is very good. Moreover, it has also pen support, but you have to buy the focus pen separately by spending around 6,000 rupees. So that is very costly actually. And with MI Pad 7, you cannot expect frequent software updates, and also the software updates of MI is not as smooth as iPadOS. So you have to make the decision whether you want to buy the latest tablet. In that case you can consider MI Pad 7. But on the other hand, if you want a reliable tablet or iPad and also frequent software updates, in that case you can consider iPad 10th generation. The only downside of iPad 10th generation base variant is the storage. You will get only 64GB of internal storage, that will be very less in 2025. Also, you will not get any AI features or Apple Intelligence along with iPad 10th generation, but in MI Pad 7 you will get artificial intelligence with the latest Android 15 update. If I had to choose between these two tablets, I would have chosen iPad 10th generation because I need a better display, portability, very good processor for video editing, and also frequent software updates. So you may agree with me or disagree. So let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you want to buy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.